How to find favorite tracks on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find favorite tracks on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this favorites icon here in the bottom corner. Now just click on it and then scroll down. As you see here, you will find this one, favorite tracks. Then just click on it, and here you will find your favorite tracks on Deezer mobile. And that's it. And that's how to find favorite tracks on Deezer. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.